You have decided to install a solar energy system for your home to not only reduce your electricity bill, but also to help the environment by decreasing your carbon footprint. The solar energy system, which can produce the desired outcome, will cost about $20,000. You might or might not have that kind of money sitting around in your bank. If you do, that's great. But if you don't, I'll help you find the money you need. Hi, I'm Mohidul Saad, co-founder of solarinstallguru.com. In the next 2.5 minutes, I will show you how you can finance your solar energy system with a traditional loan program which will save you thousands of dollars.
We discussed another option for financing your solar project. Please watch that presentation if you are interested in learning about the FHA Power Saver financing. You need to meet certain requirements for the FHA Power Saver financing program, and some of us might not meet all the requirements. How do you get your solar energy project financed even if FHA Power Saver financing is not an option? I will show you how your solar energy system project can be financed with traditional financing means. Traditional financing is obtained from your local bank or a credit union. The rate and the term you will receive from a traditional lending source will depend on your credit score and other financial conditions. The bankers might not be flexible with the length of the loan, which they call the term of the loan. They might be willing to finance the project for 5 to 7 years. You will be able to finance the project with combined funds from federal, state renewable energy rebate, and conventional loans. How would you make your solar energy project profitable when the loan duration is shorter and the interest rate is a bit higher? Don't worry, I will show you a solution which will make your investment profitable in the long run, even though it might not be that glamorous for the short term. Let's talk numbers and develop a successful and profitable solar energy project financing plan. You need to finance $20,000 from a traditional lending source. You will receive $6,000 from the federal government as rebates, and you might receive $0 to $10,000 from your state government as well. You will receive these rebates after your taxes have been filed, but you will need the entire money during the installation of the solar energy system. Traditional lending sources can be a great tool to get the solar energy project off the ground. There are some challenges and benefits to this financing option. Let's talk challenges first. Unlike the FHA Power Saver program, the traditional or conventional loans are financed for 5 to 7 years and not 20. This means that due to the shorter loan term, the payments are usually higher. This will increase your apparent electric bill because when you add up your conventional loan payment and the electric bill, the total will most likely go higher than your monthly electric bill. Still, you have zero or very little out-of-pocket cost, but some increase in your apparent electric bill. I use apparent because hikes in electric bills are due to short-term financing of the $20,000. Here's the good news. Due to the accelerated payment schedule, you are going to pay off the debt in 5 to 7 years instead of 20 years. After you are done paying off the conventional loan, that loan payment goes straight to your pocket as savings from your electric bill. The initial hike will pay a huge dividend for the entire life of the solar equipment, which is warranted for 25 years. If the FHA Power Saver program does not work for you, the conventional loan could be a great vehicle in getting a solar energy system installed so that you can save thousands of dollars after the traditional loan has been paid off.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit solarinstallguru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar related money saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to solarinstallguru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact on the environment, various solar rebates, solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at SolarInstGuru and like us on Facebook.com/SolarInstallGuru. Thank you.